In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a blinking text animation using the panic blinking effect. This animation causes your text to blink rapidly, making it ideal for grabbing attention or adding a sense of urgency to your video. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your message. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that matches your video's tone. Bold and high contrast fonts usually work best for blinking effects, so the text remains readable. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find Panic Blinking. Apply it, and you'll immediately see your text start blinking on and off. To adjust how fast the blinking happens, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a fast, intense blink. Drag the slider to the right for a slower, softer blink. Preview the animation and fine-tune the speed until it perfectly fits the mood of your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a blinking text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.